Alright guys, today we're doing a review on this Fresca. This is their sparkling water. This is grapefruit. I've done a review on the peach flavor. Just want to see how this one tasted. It's unsweetened. Check this out. And I've tried the bubbly version. That is also grapefruit. So I'm going to do a nice comparison. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Let's open this up. Okay, so it tastes similar to the bubbly one. Not as grapefruit. Doesn't have that much aroma of grapefruit. I'll tell you that. So compared to the bubbly one, but this is more. It tastes like there is some citrus in there, but there isn't. So, and it's not as fizzy as the bubbly. So that's pretty much the difference. Do another taste. Yeah, it's more of a subtle grapefruit aroma. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.